Two awkward-looking percents. What is 7.5% of 56? And what is 175% of 32? No messy decimal multiplying. Each one hides a friendly anchor. Can you find it? Pause the video. Try both in your head. Here is a hint. 7.5% is a tenth of 75%, and 175% is 100% plus 75%. Here is the move. Find the anchor first, then scale it. Inside 7.5% lives 75%. Carve 75% off the bar. Remember the keystone. Quarter the bar. 56 over 4 is 14. Take 3 quarters. 3 14s is 42. Never just divide by 4. Now the scale. 7.5% is 75% divided by 10. So divide the result by 10. 42 divided by 10 is 4.2. Now the trap. Do not divide the percent. That wrong move turns 7.5 into 0.75% and gives 0.42. The right answer is 4.2. Divide the result, not the percent. And multiplying by the decimal agrees. Now the other two scales. Start with 175% of 32. 175% is 100% plus 75%. So it is bigger than 32. Same anchor. 32 over 4 is 8. 3 of them is 24. Add it on. The bar grows past its 100% edge. 32 plus 24 is 56, and 56 beats 32, just as over 100% should. The third scale is 100% minus p. Take 90% of 140. 10% of 140 is 14. Shave it off. 140 minus 14 is 126. 3 scales, a tenth, plus to n, and minus from n. Let us walk one together. 12.5% of 240. Find the anchor. 125% of 240 is 300. Now scale the result. 300 divided by 10 is 30. Now your turn. 3 cold checks. Race the clock, then watch the method. This is the scale the anchor rule. If a percent is a relative of an anchor, compute the anchor first, then scale it. Divide by 10, add it to n, or subtract it from n. Look for an awkward decimal percent, or one just off 100%. Every percent is built from the friendly anchors. And remember, dividing by 10 acts on the result, not the percent. Learn, compete, and win. Visit competitivekids.org.